Gaming company Roblox making its debut on the New York Stock Exchange this week. Investors were excited, and after the initial trade, the company had a valuation that was just mind-boggling. And John Fort absolutely thinks it deserves it, and at the same time thinks it's absolutely crazy, I think. Have I got that right? How much is it worth, John?
Well, let's contrast that with Electronic Arts. Let me just tell you, Joe, just how much Roblox is worth it. It's got 32 million daily active users. For 2020, it turned in nearly $1 billion in revenue, up 82% from 2019. But that doesn't even really capture what Roblox represents here. Roblox has the in-game economy of Fortnite, the open creative space of Minecraft, and the creator-fueled energy of YouTube. So while more established game industry companies like Electronic Arts are trying to figure out how to build platforms that generate subscription revenue and inspire user loyalty, Roblox has done it. Valuations are a bit lofty here, sure, but there's a reason for that. Investors are giving extra credit to companies whose models have proven to be especially effective during the pandemic. And when it comes to gaming, you won't find many better examples of that than Roblox, Joe.
I want to change the segment. What you just said is impossible to. We don't even need to go any further. You're right. I think all that's true. Is there really? There's another side, John?
Well, Joe, I mean, on the other hand, let's put down the game controller and get serious for a minute. Electronic Arts should be worth so much more than Roblox. Roblox had almost $1 billion in revenue in 2020. Great. That means it's trading at about 40 times last year's revenue. Electronic Arts is probably going to have more than $6 billion in revenue for fiscal 2021. It's trading at about 6 times. So Roblox is growing faster, sure, but come on. Roblox added about $400 million in revenue in 2020. Electronic Arts is expected to add about twice the revenue dollars, about $800 million in the fiscal year that ends this month. If you think Roblox can keep growing at pandemic lockdown speed coming out of it, you're delusional. But to justify a market cap on par with EA, it would have to. And if you want to talk user base, I mean, yes, Roblox's 32 million daily active users are impressive. You know what's more impressive? For a $40 billion market cap, Pinterest's 416 million monthly active users. So any way you look at it now, Roblox isn't worth this many Robux.
We were going to talk about one being the future, Roblox, and Electronic Arts maybe being the past. And then I immediately thought, if Electronic Arts is the past, John, what is GameStop? How does that figure into all this?
Well, GameStop is also the past, which is why it was worth so little. The past. But there's this hope with the talent that they have on the board at this moment where so much is changing in gaming that they might be able to leap ahead. I mean, even just look at Zynga. That was sort of supposed to be a has-been. They kind of grew up during the social gaming era of Facebook when it was promoting games. That's long past. But Zynga's transforming itself. It just did an acquisition that's supposed to get it more into this platform era. And there's so many players here. We've talked about it before. Amazon, Google trying to do streaming games. You got EA transforming. Now you got the Roblox-type players coming into. The one who figures it out right is probably going to have a lot of growth into the future. The question is, who's going to figure it out?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.